Hello friends, Jai Jagannath. Welcome to Job Solve channel. If you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 8 May 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Who has received the Young Career Award 2020 in Nanoscience and Technology by Department of Science and Technology? So his name is Saurabh Lodha. So Professor Saurabh Lodha is from Electrical Engineering Department of IIT Bombay, has received this award. And what he have done, he has contributed in the development of the logic transistor technology beyond silicon. And recently IIT Bombay has designed a digital stethoscope, and it can use to detect the heartbeat of the patient by keeping a safe distance from the coronavirus patient and the doctor. Question number 2. Which state or UT has inaugurated a newly developed Android based mobile app named CHD COVID? So it is inaugurated at Chandigarh. So Punjab Governor and Administrator of Union Territory Chandigarh, BP Singh Badnore, today inaugurated a newly developed app named CHD COVID. This app will be single point platform which will provide all the information, either it is from central government or locals, what are the guidelines and what are the orders and notification related to COVID-19 in Chandigarh. Question number 3. National Gallery of Modern Art New Delhi presented the virtual program NGMA के संग्रह से under which theme? So the theme is Artist by Artists. So the theme Artist by Artists is a theme for this week, and this is dedicated to Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore on his 159th birth anniversary on 7th May 2020. Question number 4. Which among the following has launched the India SME service platform? SME stands for Small and Medium Enterprises. So it is launched by SIDBI. SIDBI full form is Small Industries Development Bank of India. Its headquarters present in Lucknow. Mohammad Mustafa is its chairman and MD. SIDBI will launch a digital platform that will educate stakeholders in the small and medium enterprise, that is SME. Question number 5. Dalit Azin Malai, who passed away recently, was a renowned politician, and he elected to the Lok Sabha from Chidambaram of Tamil Nadu. Some secret to Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai. E.K. Palaniswamy is its chief minister, and governor is Banwarilal Purohit. Question number 6. Which bank has become the first bank to extend the moratorium to non-banking finance companies? So it is done by Punjab National Bank. So Punjab National Bank headquarters present in New Delhi. Sunil Mehta is its chairman, and SS Mallikarjuna Rao is its MD and CEO. Question number 7. Which state government has extended the lockdown till May 29? So as you know, from May 3rd it is extended by 2 weeks by central government, that is to May 17. But Telangana government has extended it is till May 29 due to the rising case of coronavirus. So its Telangana capital is Hyderabad, its CM is KC Rao, and governor is Tamilisai Soundarajan. Last question of the day. Mehbooba Mufti's detention under Public Safety Act has been extended for how many more months? So she is the former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. So it is extended for 3 months. So this is the current affairs. The answer of yesterday's question is Tilak Maidan Stadium is located in Goa, and today's question is the headquarters of International Weightlifting Federation, that is IWF, is based at So write down the answer in the comment box, and I will attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. So thanks for your time. Stay safe at home and keep studying. And do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.